Cloning to save endangered species. Cloning animals to save endangered species has been impossible for many years. Because you can split the embryo, we can create a clone. It is possible because we can take a copy of an adult DNA and insert it into the egg. You're attaching an adult donor cell to an egg of the animal, and this way you can create an exact replica of the donor because you're using the same DNA. Pros of cloning animals. We can preserve the genetic code of endangered animals. We can understand the biology of endangered animals, and the clones can be used to help reproduce in the wild. Having extinct animals alive again will help us know how they went extinct in the first place, so we won't lose more and more animals. We will be able to help preserve animals that are endangered currently, such as rhinos, tigers, and koala bears. In this way, these animals will not go extinct. Cons of cloning. In a large percentage of cases with cloning, the process fails in the course of pregnancy or some sort of birth defects occur. For an example, as a recent case, a calf born with two faces. Sometimes the defects manifest themselves later and can kill the clone. A lot of clones are unsuccessful. The first clone, a sheep named Dolly, was cloned 277 times before the clone was a success. For all those deforms, they had to kill, which seems inhumane. When a clone is successful, it still may have diseases or birth defects. When you clone or get rid of a diversity in species, clones can have a shorter lifespan because they come from adult donor cells. Ethical issues with cloning animals to save endangered species. Although in many cases it is good, it is bad in a sense because some people believe that you are playing God. Also, there is a humane issue when cloning animals because of the defective or unborn animals that were produced from the clone. Also, what could it lead to if human cloning became a possibility? 9% of people, only 9% of people agree with human cloning, while 32% of people agree with animal cloning. In this case, imagine if there were 7 billion Ricky Marines on the planet. There would almost be no diversity. In my personal opinion, I say yes, animal cloning should be done, but to the extent to only save endangered animals and not for things to produce more meat on the market or more milk in someone's fridge. In this case, we can somewhat retain the humane rights that animals deserve. Also, I don't feel that it should go as far as human cloning because something in our world that we do need is diversity between people as individuals. Thanks for watching.